How to add bots to a Discord server. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add bots to your Discord server. But before I do, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So, it's really easy to install bots to Discord. If you know which specific bot you want, you can just enter it into Google and install it. But if you're not sure which bots even exist, you can use one of the bot repository websites. My favourite Discord bot repository website is called top.gg. So you can just go to Google Chrome and enter in that website address. This website lists most of the most popular bots used on Discord. So simply select any bot to learn more information. If you found a bot that you'd like to install, then tap on Invite. This will open Discord Web in a new tab. If you're not already logged into your Discord account on the web, you'll need to do it now. So next, select the server you want to install it on and then tap on Continue. Confirm that you want to give the bot these permissions, then tap on Authorize. Finally, complete the captcha. And this bot has now been added to my server. You can repeat that for as many bots as you'd like. And that's all it takes to add bots to a Discord server. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.